In a world where quality is not just expected but demanded, AMG Quality Services stands as a beacon of excellence. We are the architects of precision, the guardians of standards, and the partners in your quest for quality and safety supremacy. Our mission is clear: to be your trusted partner in navigating the complex landscape of integrated management. We empower your organization with the knowledge, strategies, and resources needed to establish, optimize, and maintain world-class international standards. From auditing to consulting, our comprehensive integrated management system services are your compass to quality in every aspect of your journey. We unveil the strength within your supply chain and operations, turning aspirations into achievements, one quality standard at a time. At the core of our services lies our commitment to integrated excellence, adaptability, integrity and ethics, and environmental responsibility. We strive to exceed industry standards, embrace change, conduct our business with transparency, and minimize our environmental impact. Why us? Because we are industry experts with tailored solutions and a proven track record. Our team comprises seasoned professionals who understand the nuances of integrated management across various industries. We customize our solutions to fit your specific needs, ensuring maximum impact. In the oil and gas sector, compliance with standards like API Q1 and Q2 is crucial. Our consultancy ensures you meet these stringent quality and safety standards. In aerospace, we drive consistency from design to delivery with automated quality processes, qualifying your organization to AS 9100 swiftly. Ready to elevate your quality standards? Book a complimentary consultation with us, available 24/7. Let's discuss how we can tailor our expertise to your unique needs and ensure your success. Discover the power of our OEMS, Design to Amaze system. Document control, risk, contingencies, and critical change management, training and competence, and endless other applications. AMG Quality Services, the only company to develop customized applications to fit your organization. It's not just a management system, it's the future of integrated systems, tailored to your organization's needs.